welcome to Teacher Features and the next video in my mini-series all about time and timetables. Let's go on another journey through Japan's metro system, a place where things always run on time. Let's get down to the subway station and make our way to today's lesson. Okay, and today we're going to be looking at timetables. Read and use a timetable using the 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. So we're going to be looking at lots of timetables and working out some intervals of time. Let's get over to the lesson. So let's bring up the subway line. And today we're going to be looking at number lines and timetables. So let's click on the first station. Okay, here we are at the bus stop on a sunny day somewhere in Japan. And as you can see, we have a timetable telling us the times that 3 different buses will be arriving at different stations. So, as we look across the top of our timetable, we can see there are 3 buses, bus 1 in green, bus 2 in red, and bus 3 in blue. Down the left-hand side, we can see the different stops that the bus will be going to. So we have Tokyo Station, Shibuya Crossing, Shinjuku, Akihabara. Okay, so let's have a look at some questions. How long does it take bus 1 to go from Tokyo Station to Shibuya? Well, to tackle this kind of question, to work it out, we need to pick out the information from the question. So we're talking about Tokyo Station to Shibuya. Let's look at what time does the bus leave. It leaves at 5 minutes past 8. And what time does it arrive? 15 minutes past 8. So we need to work out how much time it takes from 5 past 8 to 15 minutes past 8. A couple of ways we could do that. Have a look down at the bottom here. We could look at 5 minutes add something equals 15 minutes. Or we could look at it as 15 minutes take away 5 minutes equals something. So 15 minutes take away 5 minutes leaves us with 10 minutes. So if we check that now by saying 5 minutes add 10 minutes equals 15. So we can say that it takes 10 minutes to go from Tokyo Station to Shibuya Crossing. From 5 minutes past 8 to 15 minutes past 8 is 10 minutes. Let's look at another question. How long does it take bus 1 to go from Tokyo Station to Shinjuku? Well, again, we're leaving Tokyo Station at 5 minutes past 8. And we are going to arrive at 30 minutes past 8, half past 8. So we need to work out the amount of time between 5 past 8 and half past 8. So again, 2 ways we could do this. We could say 5 minutes add something equals 30, or we could do it the takeaway route. We could say 30 minutes take away 5 minutes equals something. 25. Let's test that. 5 minutes add 25 equals 30. So we know that it takes 25 minutes to go from Tokyo Station to Shinjuku Station. Obviously not in reality, just in this PowerPoint. Okay, how long does it take bus 1 to go from Shibuya to Akihabara? Well, we leave Shibuya Crossing at 8:15 or quarter past 8, and we arrive at 9 o'clock.
Konnichiwa.
Remember, 9 o'clock represents a full hour, so 60 minutes. So that number is important when we do our calculation. So, We could do it two ways again. 15 minutes add something equals 60 minutes in total. Or we could do 60 minutes, take away 15 minutes. And that leaves us with 45 minutes. Let's check that now. 15 minutes add 45 minutes equals 60. So now we know that to go from Shibuya to Akihabara takes 45 minutes. From 8:15 to 9 o'clock is 45 minutes. Okay, let's use a number line to work this out. Another way of working out time intervals like this. Okay, so we've got a number line which is 60 minutes or 1 hour in length. And we're going to start at 8:15 and we're going to go all the way to 9 o'clock. So, we could do this in a couple of steps. Step number 1, we could add 15 minutes and that will take us up to 8:30. And then we know that from 8:30 to 9 o'clock is another 30 minutes. So we've gone 15 minutes and then another 30 minutes. If we add them together, it means it takes 45 minutes. Which bus takes the most time from Tokyo Station to Akihabara? Well, let's have a look. So we've got each bus leaves at a different time. Bus 1, 8:05. Bus 2, 8:15. Bus 3, 8:30. And they arrive at different times as well. 9 o'clock, 9:10, 9:25. Let's use a number line to check how long it takes each bus. Okay, let's use a number line to check each of these bus routes. So, bus 1 leaves at 8:05 and arrives at 9 o'clock. So, from 8:05 to 8:30 is 25 minutes. And then we know that now we're at 8:30, we need another 30 minutes to get to 9 o'clock. So if we add them together, it takes 55 minutes in total. Bus 2 leaves at 8:15 and arrives at 9:10. We know that 8:15 to 9 is 45 minutes, but then we need to add an extra 10. So in total, 55 minutes. Bus 3 leaves at 8:30 and it arrives at 9:25. We know that 8:30 to 9 o'clock is 30 minutes. And then from 9 to 9:25 is another 25 minutes. When we add them together, it's also 55 minutes. Okay, another way to think about this, perhaps a little bit more complicated. Remember, an hour is 60 minutes. So, from 8 to 9 o'clock would be 60 minutes. From 8 to 9:10 would be 70 minutes. And from 8 to 9:25 would be 85 minutes. Why is that important? Well, we could use addition/subtraction to also work out our difference in time. So 5 minutes add something equals 60. 60 minutes take away 5 equals 55. So let's check that. 55 add 5 equals 60. 55 minutes. Now the red line, we're actually going from 8, let's say it was from 8 to 9:10. So we're actually counting up to 70 minutes. 15 minutes add something equals 70. 70 take away 15 equals 55. 15 add 55 equals 70 minutes. So the answer again is 55. 30 minutes add something equals 85. 85 take away 30, 55 minutes. And that's our objective for today. So we looked at ways to calculate the amount of time it takes on a timetable, the difference in time, using number lines, addition and subtraction. So 3 different methods there. Okay, so that's our short lesson for today. Hopefully you found that helpful, and if you're interested in downloading the full PowerPoint, you can from the link below in the description. Please feel free to check out any of my other videos. I make a lot of games that you might find helpful as well. Until next time, thank you very much. See you again.